ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ wò ó lágbára o. Àwọn ará Amẹ́ríkà gan náà sọ̀rọ̀ síta. Ẹ wò wọ́n sọ ọ̀rọ̀ débi pé àwọn pípù yìí wọ́n ṣe kí ni àwọn tó wà ní ẹ́mbáàsì mi wọ́n gbẹ́nu dákẹ́ ni. Ẹ̀yin náà wá lọ gbọ́ nǹkan tí àwọn ará Amẹ́ríkà ohun tí wọ́n sọ torí àwọn náà ṣe kí ni àwọn náà ṣe protest lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
We are ready to listen to you. We are ready to carry your message, but don't abuse us.
Definitely.
You call us motherfucker here. We didn't abuse anybody here.
Right. Yeah.
We are listening to you. Please go ahead.
Okay. We, as you can see, you know already, we are Nigerians. We are Nigerians who are angry, who are hungry. A hungry man is an angry man. We have suffered for too long. This government has suffered all of us every day. You are aware. Likewise, I am. $1 is equal to 1,580 naira. That is too much. When I was born, I am 59 now. When I was born, I met when it was 2 naira to 1 pound. Pounds, not even dollars. But today, how can I explain to my children that this thing ever existed like this? Can you imagine a world Senate president coming to the public view and telling us that we know that Nigerians are suffering right now, but the life of the president is more important than the life of the ordinary citizen for now. So we are going to buy him a private jet. You have to endure with us. How on earth will a good father say that to a child? Why would they be buying SUVs for themselves? There are no roads. We do not have, give Nigerian life. Nigerians, you know myself, as I know, that Nigerians are capable of producing things. Here in the United States, we have a lot of Nigerians who are doctors, who are engineers. We make things happen in this country. We make things happen in this world. But in our own country, we are not recognized at all. Our children don't go to good schools. Many of the schools have no roof. The ones that have roads, there are no windows. There are no roads to pass. Every on the road, you cannot walk around by 8 p.m. You have to hold your head in your own hand. That is not what we want. We want Nigerian constitution to be changed. We want a referendum because the Nigerian constitution is a fraud. It was handed over to us by the military. We want a constitution that binds us democratically, where all of us will be seated together.
Referendum now.
We will discuss it and then agree that this is what binds us and it is a legal document. But this one is a fraudulent document. We cannot be eating sachet of rice anymore. We're tired. We don't want distribution of rice. We want our industries to work. We want the Dangote as an individual is able to build a refinery. How come entire nation cannot make one refinery work? It is shame. It is embarrassing.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I go to many places. I cannot be proud in America here and call myself a Nigerian because they look at me as a fraudulent person. They forget the good part of us because the worst part of us has spoiled the name of the good part of us. This is not acceptable anymore. We want it to end right now, and that is why we are here. All over, this thing is happening in UK right now. It's happening in Nigeria right now.
Worldwide
You are seeing it. Go to CNN. It's being aired. This is why we are here.
And we also want you guys here because we know how you operate here in this building. A lot of you operate, you don't know what you're doing. We come here, I came here one time, I had to get my passport 3 times, and I had to pay for it. I had to pay for the mistakes you made. So whatever happened in Nigeria also happens here. Because this building here, a lot of incompetent people work here. A lot of incompetent people, the way they run Nigeria is the way you are running this building.
Right.
And number 2, we want Nigerian people have the right to protest. Because it's supposed to be a democratic country.
Right.
So we don't want the government to be putting military and policemen out in Nigeria exercising their democratic rights. If they want to kill people, they should go to where Boko Haram. They should go and fight
Look at the
Boko
police
Haram.
officers here now. Have you seen them harass any of us?
Hold on.
They only came to address us people. But in our own
They should go and
that is not acceptable anymore.
They should go and meet. Okay? They should not kill the citizens. Number 3, we want the Agbero system, the thuggery system to stop.
Go.
Because we know a lot of you are part of the criminal gang in Nigeria. And they bring you here to work here. And I'm going to let you know that right now, that if you are working for this building, you are working for the criminal organization of Nigeria. You are working for the terrorist government of Nigeria.
Yes.
Because Nigerian government is the one that is sponsoring terrorists. Nigerian government know the sponsors of terrorism. So they should hold them accountable. 30 in Ekiti, Boko Haram, and they drag their bloody bodies on the road and put them in the pickup. Tell them to go and hold them accountable. Because you guys are just hypocrites. You come here, you acting like you're hearing us, but guess what? The next minute you turn our back, you stab us in the back. So that's what we want. We want Nigeria. We want the 1999 Constitution to end.
Yes.
We want the 1999 Constitution to end. Because when Nigeria was created, listen guys, so Nigeria was, you will talk, my sister. Nigeria was created in 1914 by Lord Lugard. You all know the history. If you don't know the history, you should go back to history school. Nigeria was created in 1914 by Lord Lugard. Mary Slessor, not Mary Slessor.
No, you don't like that.
What's
His girlfriend.
Yeah,
Flora
Shaw.